Hello everyone, this is Sam from SaberiSixRealEstate back with another pre-construction preview. During these videos, I give a little quick rundown of the pre-construction project at hand, provide some basic features and renditions and floor plans on the screen while I talk about the builder, the prices, what you can expect, and at the end of the day, I give a little score for both end users and investors. If you want any more information on this project, feel free to contact me, as well as subscribe, comment, rate, and review for more of these videos and all the other type of videos I make on this channel. So today we're talking about Boss Luxury Towns as built by Ideal Developments. Now, as you will see when I speak of the floor plans and the kind of the prices you can expect, these are truly luxury towns. So as compared to other pre-construction projects, there might be a higher threshold required for you to get involved with this development. And these are not pre-construction condos, although they can be. These are pre-construction homes. The location for this project is Richmond Hill, most specifically Yonge Street and King Road. As you can see from this rendition, it's going to be about 11 blocks all in total. And funny enough, the units are named after cars, and I think they're stacking it in a way where the biggest, most luxurious cars are the largest units, and the more common yet luxury cars are the cheapest and the smallest. So according to this rendition, as you can see, the Bugatti units, quote unquote, are the end units in purple. End units, you do get a semi-detached vibe to a certain extent, and as well as the extra space that comes with the lot and the unit. The price list reflects such because the Bugatti units are the most expensive, starting at $1.249 million per unit. Ferrari units start at a 1.149 price point per unit. In terms of square footage, they're only about 100 to 200 square feet apart. $1.1 million units are about 2,600 square feet, whereas the other units, the Bugatti units, the most expensive ones, are about 2,700 square feet. One thing that's interesting though is these units do come with finished basements, which is not rare, but it's not common either. Development has two different deposit structures. One is an extended deposit structure, whereas the other is just this basic deposit structure. However, it's not like you're saving either way. You would have to give a down payment / deposit ultimately of $170,000. So whether you go with the extended plan or the basic plan, the extended plan just gives you a little bit more time to get your resources and finances together. Since these are freehold townhomes and not a big condominium that's mixed use as in previous projects that I've talked about in videos, the occupancy date is looking around 2022. So these projects can be developed and finished much quicker than larger condominium, high rises either in downtown or central parts of other parts of the GTA. And yeah, those are just basic informations and some floor plans, not all the floor plans, not all the prices. So if you're interested in this project, feel free to contact me for more questions that I can answer. In terms of score, now let me grade this project for end users and investors. Start with investors. For investors, I would have to say this project is a C+ or B-, somewhere in that range. This is so clearly targeted to end users, and if you want to invest in this project, you have to have some deep pockets for investment purposes. For that reason, I think this does push away the common day investor, the average day person who does have enough money to invest in real estate, which, like I said, takes quite a bit of money to even invest in basic condominiums, but does not have this much resources and capital. So for that reason, I would say this is not a good investment opportunity. This is better for end users, and my end user grade would have to be a B-, B+. The reason it's not fully an A is because I believe you can get townhomes in Richmond Hill cheaper than this, and you won't see that big of a drop in quality and finishing. All the same though, the reason it is still at a B is because you're looking at a very desired location in Richmond Hill, and they are pricing future appreciation in the current price for 2022. So you are paying a little bit of a premium, but at the end of the day, it's a luxury. If you want luxury, you gotta pay the premium that comes with luxury. Anyways, thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe, comment, rate, and review. And yeah, that's it for today.